stance, Nick.
I haven't had coffee yet. Iced quad shot in a venti cup with 2 pumps of classic and half.
Your name?
Nick.
Vic. Thank you so much, Vic. We'll see you at the window for $15.70.
You know what? I have like the easiest name in the world and still no one can get it right.
Enjoy that.
Thank you.
Just waiting on the food, okay?
Alright. What's up, guys? So sorry for the lack of videos lately. Bree's been busy traveling for work. I've been busy with work. All-Star Bash is next weekend, which we're gonna get coverage of. So I've been busy with my car. So 350Z's just been kind of sitting, but we're getting really close to finishing it. Alright, so quick rundown. So right now we're just kind of mocking up the front end to see where we're at clearance-wise with the radiator and everything. This throttle body is not going to work. This is an electronic throttle body, so our throttle position sensor is not going to work, so we had to order a aftermarket intake manifold. So we're not going to be running the stock manifold. Okay, so we got pretty much all the turbo stuff done. We got the exhaust on.
So right now Nick is having the time of his life taking off the stock intake manifold and the stock throttle body so that when we get our new parts on Monday, we'll be ready to just throw those on real quick. So I am going to heat wrap our dump tube so that we can put that on today and get something done.
Sick. Looks like shit.
It does look like shit. Oh, that looks so bad. That looks way better. Let's just leave it like that.
Run map sensors, not MAF sensors.
Alright, so quick update for you guys. We got this dump tube nice and heat wrapped, nice and tight. Nick has also gotten the stock intake manifold off and the stock throttle body, so therefore once we get those parts on Monday in the mail, we'll be able to just throw them on the engine.
So that's it for today. We ran into one issue with the O2 sensor connector. It's not the right one, unfortunately. So such a simple task and we couldn't do it. So we had to order the right one to finish the O2 sensor. What else did we do today?
We did get the stock intake manifold and the throttle body off, which is good. So when those new parts come on Monday, we'll at least be able to just throw those on the engine. Hopefully, I'm hoping the new intake manifold fits because it's pretty wide.
Hopefully that's a bolt-on situation, fingers crossed. Then we should be ready to go. Engine-wise, engine should be ready to go. So also, All-Star Bash is next weekend, which I think I mentioned it in the first part of this video, but I'm mentioning it again so you guys don't forget. We're going to have a pretty sick video coming out for it. We're gonna get in-car footage in the pits, track footage, all that stuff. So we're gonna be there, so if you guys see us, say what's up. We'll be there Saturday night and Sunday, so watch out for that video and we'll see you guys next time. All right, what's up, guys? So we're outside now.
Okay, go. Sorry. And today we bring you the reality of Maxi Factory. Sitting on our phones, staring at this car, trying to figure out what the f we're supposed to do with it.